Welcome to Storyboards. In this video, I will show you how to add and use interactive visualization filters. Let's open a sample storyboard in edit mode. Interactive filters are a great way to let users interact with a visualization. Let's say I want to filter all my visualizations here by store type, department, and product line. To add a filter widget, click in the right cell and select Filter. Navigate to the Filters editor and click New. Select the dataset used for the visualization that you want to filter. For the column, select Store Type. For the filter type, we have three options. Let's use the multi-selection list. In the Targets field, select all the visualizations that you want to filter. Give it a name and click Apply. Let's add another filter for the department. Select a dataset, department column, and for the filter type, let it be a single selection list. Add the same targets. Specify the label and click Apply. And the third category filter would be for the same dataset, the product line column, and the drop-down list for filtering type. Now we have three different filters. In the multi-selection filter, you can select multiple values. In the single selection list, only one value. And the same applies to the drop-down list. The data in all three visualizations is filtered according to your selections. To reset a filter, you can click Clear Selection, but to clear all three filters, click Reset Filters. To edit the filter appearance, go to Edit Settings and click the Appearance tab. Here you can customize the background, filter headers, and value labels. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.